Hello, hello. So I am at Elante Mall in Chandigarh, and I met my friend, childhood friend, who gifted me these for my upcoming 40th birthday. Meet her, Sneha.
Hi.
She happens to be also a art of living happiness teacher, and as you know, like I'm very spiritual, and I love these kind of discussions. So we always end up having these discussions. So we were just talking about what the similarities are, and how I call my program stop overthinking and start overjoy achieving. And the baseline of that is that we always chase external things, external accomplishments, achievements, because we think that we'll be happy when we finally get them. But it's actually the other way around, that we first have to find that happiness irrespective of those accomplishments. We have to find that inside us by changing the way we think and feel. And when we feel that happiness inside, that's when it becomes natural for us to move towards what we like, and that creates the accomplishments that we are so proud of and that mean so much to us. And we were just talking about how my friend Sneha, who does the happiness programs, how she sort of looks at it. So I thought I'll just ask her to share in the words what she thinks about the happiness.
Yeah, hi everyone, I'm Samiha. As Kavita said, just to sum it up what Kavita has said, the happiness, the art of living founder, Sri Gurudev Ravi Shankarji, he always mentioned that life is expression of happiness rather than pursuit of happiness. So being happy, whatever you can achieve, you cannot know it is too much in abundance. But just going for it for the happiness purpose, that this thing will give you happiness, that thing will give you happiness, it keeps on postponing your happiness. So don't postpone it, just express your happiness and then go for whatever you want in life. All the best, guys. Nice meeting you.
Love it. One question. So Sneha, so when you say be an expression of happiness, could you tell us what that looks like in a day to day? Like for someone who's just living a day, what would that expression of happiness look like? Being an expression of happiness.
See, I'm happy, and when I meet my friend, that vibrations, that vibe, that catches onto them, and they will be more happier, be happy meeting you. But when I feel like, oh, I'm gonna meet my friend and then I'll be happy, then probably I'm looking for happiness from her rather than that. It is difficult, that kind of situation. But when you're happy, you can actually make everybody around you happy, isn't it? You can charge up the energy.
Love it, love it. So, happiness comes first. It's an inside job. You get yourself in the right state of mind first, and then you go out in the world and meet your friends, which obviously make you happy. Did I make you happy? But because she was already happy, right? That's such a beautiful message. So, we are signing off. Bye. Be an expression of happiness.